DIY hand dryer. In Miggy's latest project, he combines his passion for cleanliness with the power of technology. Using a MagicBit development board and an IR proximity sensor, Miggy creates a smart hand dryer that activates with a wave of the hand. Now, let's walk through the steps that Miggy followed to bring this project to life. Step 1. Gather the materials. From the MagicBit development board to the cardboard structure, Miggy assembles the essentials for his smart hand dryer. Step 2. Creating the structure. Miggy crafts a sleek structure using cardboard. This not only adds to the aesthetics but also creates a practical setup for the hand dryer. You can try any structure with different shapes. Step 3. Connecting components. Here, Miggy first connects the DC motor to the structure and then he attached the fan blade to that. After that, he added another part to the structure he created and fixed the IR proximity sensor to it. Then, he attached the battery pack to the back side of the structure's base and take the connector to the outside from the top of the base. And now, Miggy used 3 male-to-female jumper wires to connect the IR sensor with the MagicBit. Then he connected the 2 cables of the DC motor with the M1 plus and M1 minus pins in the MagicBit. After that, the MagicBit is fixed to the structure base. Finally, he connects the 3 cables from the IR sensor with the pin number 32 of the MagicBit. Last step, load the program. Power the MagicBit by connecting the battery connector. Then choose the proximity program from the modules section by rotating the potentiometer wheel. This program enables the proximity sensor to detect hand presence and triggers the DC motor to start the airflow. It's the time to test. Miggy tests the hand dryer by placing his hand in front of the proximity sensor. The MagicBit responds with a detect message, and the fan blade starts rotating. Congratulations! You did it!